MathNac channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the surface area of a cuboid and cube. What is cube and cuboid? A cube is a 3D version of a square and a cuboid is a 3D version of a rectangle. The only difference between cubes and cuboid is the shape of a 6 faces. Each face of a cube is a square and all of these squares are all of equal size. Each face of a cuboid is a rectangle. Surface area of a cuboid. Before finding the surface area of a cuboid, first we have to find the area of a top and bottom faces, front and back faces and side faces. Area of a top and bottom faces equal to 2LB. Area of a front and back faces equal to 2LH. Area of a side faces equal to 2BH. Therefore, the total surface area of a cuboid, which is equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. And also the lateral surface area of a cuboid, which is equal to 2 into L plus B into H. Next we can find out the surface area of a cube. Let L be the side of a cube. Then the total surface area of a cube, which is equal to 6L square. Also the lateral surface area of a cube, which is equal to 4L square. Let's take an example. Find the surface area of a cube whose side measures 6 cm. Also find the lateral surface area of a cube. Given side of a cube, which is equal to 6 cm. We know that total surface area of a cube, which is equal to 6L square. Substituting 6 cm in L, we get 6 into 6 into 6, which is equal to 216 cm square. Then lateral surface area of a cube, which is equal to 4L square. Substituting 6 cm in L, we get 4 into 6 into 6, which is equal to 144 cm square. Let's take another example. Find the length of the side of a cube whose total surface area measures 384 square centimeter. Solution. Given total surface area, which is equal to 384 centimeter. So we have to find the length of the side of a cube. We already know that total surface area of a cube, which is equal to 6L square. So 6L square, which is equal to 384. Dividing both the sides by 6, we get L square, which is equal to 64. Now taking square root, we get L, which is equal to 8. Therefore, the length of the side of a cube is 8 cm. Let's take an example. The dimension of an oil tin are 26 cm into 26 cm into 45 cm. Find the area of a tin sheet required to make 20 such tins. From the given measures, we conclude that oil tin is a cuboid. From the given dimension, we know that length of the oil tin is the 26 cm and breadth of the oil tin is 26 cm and height of the oil tin is 45 cm. We already know that total surface area of a cuboid, which is equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. Therefore, area of a oil tin, which is equal to 2LB plus 2LH plus 2BH. Substituting all these values, we get 2 into 26 into 26 plus 2 into 26 into 45 plus 2 into 45 into 26, which is equal to 1352 plus 2340 plus 2340. Adding all these values, we get 6032 centimeter square is the area of a one oil tin. Now we have to find the area of a 20 such tins. For 20 tins, which is equal to 20 into 6032, we get 1,20,640 centimeter square. Let's take another example. Two cubes of a side 4 cm are fixed together. Find the total surface area of the new solid formed. Given two cubes of 4 cm are fixed together. So the new solid formed here is cuboid. Therefore, the length of the cuboid, which is equal to 4 plus 4, which is equal to 8 cm. Breadth of the cuboid, which is equal to 4 cm. And the height of the cuboid, which is equal to 4 cm. We know that the total surface area of a cuboid, which is equal to 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Substituting all these values, we get 2 into 8 into 4 plus 2 into 4 into 4 plus 2 into 8 into 4, which is equal to 160 centimeter square. Therefore, the total surface area of a new solid formed cuboid is 160 centimeter square. Hope you all understand how to find the surface area of a cuboid and cube. Practice more problems that I have given in the last page. Thank you all.